Well then, that's interesting. Apparently that's a Chevy as well. Huh. I think what he's doing is
yeah, right. Yeah, we could have spread out here northwest.
Check that out, you guys. You can actually see the thing actually being plugged in.
Yeah. Right, I got it.
Looks really cool. Just saw another fan. He's actually right there. I actually saw another fan. That's cool that I get to meet you guys out here while I'm doing the stuff the thing that I love. Anyways, that thing I just saw was quite interesting. I kind of want to go over there and explore a little bit more. So yeah, let me go ahead and go do that. Let me go ahead and see what the deal, is up with that. Oh boy, that's gonna be interesting. Not a little bit of backfire, not that, but a little bit, not bad. So now we see what we got here. That is really interesting. I ain't gonna lie. Oh boy. Anyways, guys, let's see what else we come out here today. It's starting to get really interesting. It's really starting to get interesting. I like it. I'm starting to like it. This is good. This is good. We need to keep it going. We honestly need to keep it really going. Oh, another oldie but a goodie. Oh, there's a lot of old-fashioned cars coming out today. I actually like that. Because there are not many of these type of cars coming out, and I'm glad that there are, because there needs to be more people wanting to restore old cars like that. Hey, who knows? Maybe one of you guys could, when you get your license, could get a car like that, and you guys could try to restore it. That'd be pretty cool. And then you're probably gonna be featured on one of my videos, or maybe vehicle purchase videos. We shall see. Guys, apparently, if you guys didn't know what was behind the hubcaps of the Model 3 wheels, apparently not that bad of a wheel. I didn't think it was going to be that sporty. Nice Tesla brake calipers as well. I guess I take back what I said. The wheels of the actual Model 3 look nice. I guess the hubcap is just...
Well, this is for efficiency.
No.
Yeah. So you get, I mean, I've ordered, you get a center cap and the glove covers, and then the wheel looks really nice.
Right.
It's not like what they put on the semi trucks and everything to help fuel efficiency.
And there's also this DV18.
I would ruin it. I would not be able to do that. I'd be crashing all the time, like trying to do the tablet.
Also, apparently, guys, if you guys didn't know, you guys can't open the glove compartment, normally. The only way you can do is you tap this. Oh, crap. Copyrighted music! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! No. No copyright music. Anyways. Wow, I did not realize this thing had a camera right there. That's actually kind of crazy. What do you say?
No, I was just confused by what the screen was telling me.
No.
Just because all the doors were closed. So the screen changed.
Oh, I just realized that's the Model 3 actually has like little cute white things. That's actually pretty cool. We got some more lovely good beauties over here. And nice good Mustang. Honestly, I'm surprised, you guys, that they got that more people are still coming to this event, even though it's almost the time when it's almost over. Also, by the way, the police are here to make sure we don't do anything stupid, which you guys, if you guys can probably guess, just kills it all. But yeah, lovely beauties. Can't wait to get some good shots of them as well. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that torque!
So this is obviously nothing like the performance one.
Right. Oh! It's honestly just crazy the fact that this thing can just launch itself like that. Because I've sat in a Tesla Model S as it was going, but I never felt like that much of pressure.
This one is, I mean, I've got a 4-year-old standard Tesla at home, and it's just as fast as this one. The performance ones are just insane. Well, literally.
Yeah.
So whenever I get a new car, I always let other people drive it after the first oil change.
There you go.
No oil change.
Whoa!
It's a Tesla.
Oh my god, my chest! Oh, that was so awesome! Oh! Woo!
Slow down here, but it doesn't like stationary.
Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh my goodness. No way.
That spot? Let me back up and go by it again. Oh, well, oh, wait a second.
Oh.
I don't want to park next to a Classic.
Right.
People nervous.
That's how I feel. I never park next to Classic.
Yeah.
I want to back up and see if they'll do it. They should pick this spot fine.
Mm-hmm.
I just have to go by it real slow and they'll see it. You have to be closer.
Oh.
Find the spot. Find the spot. I know you can find it. Huh. Who doesn't want to find it? What about here? See that spot? Let's stop.
Wow.
Oh, there it is.
Right.
So now if I hit that, wait, is it saying I need to move forward? I've only done this once because I just added it to the software.
Right.
Oh, there it goes. Now it's easy. So start, and then I don't touch anything.
Oh, what? What?
Just make sure that it's gonna do it correctly. Yep. So it's figured it out. It gets really close to other cars.
Right. Oh my gosh! Not even touching the steering wheel. Are you kidding me?
Still had to park next to a Classic.
Yeah, it didn't want the other space. I don't know why it didn't want the other space.
Mm. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this.
Complete.
And it parked, and it didn't park itself.
Now it's showing, well, it doesn't show it now, but it showed people walking behind the car. And that,
Oh, wow.
So if we go to auto park and you walk in front of the car or in front of one of the bumpers, it'll show the dents and it'll stop.
Oh, that's pretty
So
That's
I'm going to actually move it to, well, I guess this is okay. I just don't want anybody opening the door into that. I'm going to move it over one.
Alright. And it even tells you, like, where in the car the seats are at, people that doesn't wear the seat belts.
Yeah, it tells you each spot.
Mm-hmm.
The seatbelt is in use and not in use.
I like the big screen.
Yeah, I like that big screen.
I would park here. It might have been because that BMW was.
Yep.
Yeah, that was angled in the spot and it didn't like it. It didn't think there was enough room.
Right.
The Tesla doesn't like your gamer.
Nah. Yeah. That it's just jealous that the mine's more rare than. Actually, no. Currently, this is more rare than my BMW, but in the future it won't be. Oh my goodness.
Show me the. Oh no. Because they've got some bugs, so this shouldn't be covering up where now it's showing.
Oh, I see.
So it's showing me the profile and the lines change based on what you're near.
But, oh, that's cool.
So
So you guys, I honestly hope you enjoyed that. I got a free ride in the Tesla Model 3. That was incredible. Y'all heard like me talking in the background. You heard me like when I was saying like my chest and like how freaking hard this thing pulls. Like it makes my BMW feel like absolute dog doo-doo. This thing is amazing. This thing makes me really want to get a Tesla. Who knows? Tesla Model S? Next car? Like, makes me freaking... I don't believe it. I honestly don't believe it. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Oh, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you guys did enjoy the video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Peace out. The Model 3 is heading out, you guys. Like I said before, the ride was amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. You guys probably would have seen because I put in a video. But like, it is freaking insane. This thing is not only lightning quick, and it's not even the performance model. This thing is just a normal. It's just the normal model, and it's amazing. That was just freaking lightning quick.